Oh, hello friend. Welcome to our channel Quality Guru. Friend, today our topic is greenfield and brownfield project in pharmaceutical industry. In pharma, a greenfield project involved building entirely new manufacturing facility from the ground up, offering complete control over design and processes, but requiring significant initial investment and time. In contrast, a brownfield project involves investing in acquiring or modifying existing facility, which can offer faster entry and potentially lower initial cost by leveraging established infrastructure, but may often also involve hidden expenses and limitations from the pre-existing structure. The choice between two depend on factors like whether we opt greenfield or brownfield. We need to check the factor like market maturity, regulatory environment, capital, and strategic goal. A greenfield site entails the construction of a manufacturing facility from the ground up. The manufacturer has more flexibility to customize the structure design to the project unique requirement. With proper planning, the site can also accommodate future growth more efficiently. Maintenance costs are usually lower than with a brownfield facility, as the building equipment and the machinery are typically brand new and in a peak operating condition. One drawback to opening a greenfield site is the time. It may not be a viable option if manufacturer must act quickly to keep up with customer demand or bring a new product to market when there is an immediate need. Hiring new staff and onboarding can also introduce a significant learning curve and lengthen the time frame until operations are up to the speed. A brownfield manufacturing processes utilize a suitable existing facility and infrastructure. In many cases, the manufacturer will either purchase or lease the structure and perform any modification required to complete the fit out. In many brownfield projects, production is already occurring and personnel who are familiar with the project and compatible quality control system are in place. This may even be an existing facility within corporate structure of the company. The most obvious advantage of choosing a brownfield site is a faster implementation. There is no need to wait for the construction of new facility which could take a year or longer. If executed correctly, the transition to a brownfield facility can be quick and seamless, reducing downtime and minimizing disruption that negatively impact service. Additionally, these sites may have legacy technology system, for example ERP, EDOC, kappa, etc., that can integrate the new operational processes. Greenfield project, foreign investor construct brand new pharmaceutical production facility, operation and infrastructure from the ground up. Advantage of greenfield projects: full customization, allow for complete design and integration of state of art technology and processes to meet specific business objective. No legacy issue, avoid the constraint and the compliance challenges often found in an older facility. Strong foothold, enables company to build a strong presence from scratch, tailoring the facility to local needs and consumer preferences. Disadvantage of brownfield project: high capital investment, requires significant initial capital outlay for land acquisition, construction and setup. Longer timeline, take a longer time to complete compared to modify an existing site. Higher risk, involve more operational and market entry risk as it is a new venture. Brownfield project. It involves foreign investment in existing pharmaceutical facility through acquisition, joint venture, or modification to meet new objective. Advantage of brownfield: faster market entry, can accelerate entry into a market by leveraging existing structure and infrastructure. Lower initial costs, potentially lower upfront costs by utilizing established site and equipment, established infrastructure. Benefits from existing utilities, supply chain, and potentially a skilled local workforce. Disadvantage of brownfield project: hidden cost. It may involve significant cost for retrofitting, modernization, and bringing the facility up to current standard and compliance. Pre-existing constraint required working around fixed structure, limited space, and potentially limitation from aging system, that is HVAC. Compliance complexity may require significant effort to bring existing facility up to current regulatory standard. Key consideration for pharma: regulatory environment. Both types require adherence to local pharmaceutical regulation, including environment and zoning laws. Market dynamics. Greenfield is often favored for creating strong foothold in growing market, while brownfield is suitable for established market where speed is critical. Strategic alignment. The choice must align with long-term business goal, budget, and the desired level of control and innovation. Due diligence. For brownfield project, thorough audit and assessment of the existing infrastructure are crucial to identify potential issues before investment. Market strategy. Greenfield projects are for innovation, while brownfield projects can expedite entry into mature markets. Regulatory compliance. Adherence to local regulations and clearance is crucial for both type of project. Total cost of ownership. Evaluating both initial and ongoing cost is essential when making a decision. Long-term objective. The choice should align with a company long-term business goal and strategic objective. Key aspect of greenfield: cost and speed. Often lower initial cost and faster entry into the market due to existing infrastructure and established procedure. Existing resources, access to an existing workforce and established operational history. Risk mitigation, lower initial risk compared to greenfield as operational history and market data are available. Challenges: potential issues with older infrastructure, legacy problem, possible contamination, and the need for remediation. Strategy: suitable for companies seeking quick return or market share in mature market and established infrastructure. Key aspect: modernization, high potential to incorporate the latest technology and modern efficiency standard. Control, full control over the facility design and layout, allowing for optimal process flow. Innovation, ideal for companies looking to innovate and lead and cutting edge product offering. Challenges: high initial investment, unknown construction uncertainty, and need to build an entire workforce from scratch. Market, favorable in fast growing market where establishing a strong foothold is a key. 7 factors impacting site selection for greenfield and brownfield project. A greenfield investment is a lucrative option for foreign companies who want expand Indian market shares, acquires new assets and resources, and increase profit. This type of investment allow entry and expansion in a new market with a complete option control over of its operation. Companies facing trade hindrance or looking for in-depth regional or country-specific marketing skill opt for greenfield investment. Accessibility of basic infrastructure, environmental element, appropriate technical process, source of the machines, uninterrupted supply of raw materials, proper documentation, expertise in engineering. Thank you, thanks a lot, and keep watching our channel. Like, subscribe more and more. Thank you.